Today we're up in the kitchen garden, and after all of that rain up here, it's probably similar to your gardens. It's not exactly looking fantastic. The garden was struggling earlier with all the heat from summer. It got fried, and then with all of the rain, things, as you can see, are not looking their best. And so this section of the garden, as I was saying, is going to be mainly for potatoes. I've grown potatoes here a couple of years ago, and it was very successful because it has full sun, very good drainage, and I'll be digging a couple of bags of active grow into the soil, as potatoes love well composted, rich but free draining soil. This part of the garden, I've got to do a bit of revamping here and pulling some things out, but this is going to be for the garlic. And this year, for the first time, I'll be trying to grow elephant garlic. So it's, as you can see, these arrived today as well. The cloves are really, really large, and the flavour is not as pungent as a normal garlic. It's sort of a cross between a garlic, a leek and an onion. So ideal for roasting. Apparently people really enjoy it even as a roast, and you spread it on your bread or your toast or things like that. But these we'll cultivate the soil, we'll put the cloves in probably about sort of 30 centimetres apart, and the clove tip needs to be actually 5 centimetres below the surface of the soil for
optimum growth.
Yeah. Okay, and I've got my sickle with me today. These are available in right-handed and left-handed. Probably the best tool I've ever used in gardening, to be perfectly honest. I will use that when I'm prepping the soil here to put the garlic in. Makes it very easy with making lines and digging holes and all sorts of things, and of course is so easy with harvesting things from the garden. Okay, so here in the pink and red bed, it will stay pink and red predominantly. A lot of it is not looking great, but some of it is going to survive, and I'm just going to work with what's here at the moment. Obviously things need a good weed, and there'll be areas that will be replanted. I will be putting in things like a lot more red sorrel, red lettuces, red cos, tall leafy greens like silver beet and spinach through here as well. This bed is known as was known as the yellow and the orange bed. As you can see, it looks atrocious at the moment. I will be going through, obviously, weeding things. The marigolds that do so well in summer have obviously done their dash, and they will be replaced with the beautiful English version of the marigold, the calendula, which is a great companion for many things, and the native bees absolutely love them, and they're just so pretty and a pop of colour in the garden. So marigolds will come out, calendulas will go in, be getting rid of, things that are horrible, dead, have done their dash or not in season. I'll also through here be planting some golden beetroots, and they'll be the heirloom ones from Holman's, which obviously will be available in the nursery. This bed will be kept for a lot of blues and whites and silver foliage. There'll be Tuscan kale, shallots, Delft blue violas and pansies, spring onions. Okay, as you can see, there is a lot of work to do in these beautiful garden beds, but it's also a very exciting time, and we will show you the progress weekly and show you how it's starting to come together.